Okay, check out this 2024 Honda Accord LX. It was just traded in. Bought here new, serviced here all of its life. It's only got 21,000 miles on it, I believe. Great condition, silver in color, black interior, Honda certified. Goes through a 182-point inspection. We check it over front to back, top to bottom, side to side. Make sure the brakes, the tires, the fluids, the filters, all the stuff is up to Honda specification, so it can be backed with a warranty for 7 years or 100,000 miles. Any Honda dealer in the United States can honor that warranty. Our cars specifically come with a 6 oil change, 6 tire rotation program. So any pre-owned vehicle you buy from Victory Honda comes with 6 oil changes, 6 tire rotations, 2 sets of keys, all the books and manuals, Carfax report, all the good stuff you're gonna get. This car won't last long. You don't see too many of these. Honda Accord has been tried and tested for many, many years. Oh, it's won Motor Trend Car of the Year for 20-something years in a row, maybe a little more. Show you the interior, super clean, super nice, well taken care of, well maintained. It's gonna go through the certification process. It's 21,874 is the exact miles. Infotainment system, both of the keys down there. It'll go through the process. We'll clean it up. We'll get it ready. Come check it out today. Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. Thank you.